in the kitchen, fragrance rising in the air. Wooden spoons and gentle whispers, moments captured everywhere. Slicing veggies on the counter, softly humming to the beat. Pots and pans in perfect harmony, cooking love in every seat. Whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Boiling water, singing softly, stirring heartbeats blend with care. Recipes passed down through ages, love is hidden everywhere. Calm reflections in each bubble, memories in every bite. In this kitchen, peace is cooking, flavors blending in the night. In the silence, there's a rhythm, measuring love with each spoon. Culinary dreams awakened, dancing under the soft moon. Whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these seek, whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Quiet hums in the kitchen, fragrance rising in the air. Wooden spoons and gentle whispers, moments captured everywhere. Slicing veggies on the counter, softly humming to the beat. Pots and pans in perfect harmony, cooking love in every seat. Whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Boiling water, singing softly, stirring heartbeats blend with care. Recipes passed down through ages, love is hidden everywhere. Calm reflections in each bubble, memories in every bite. In this kitchen, peace is cooking, flavors blending in the night. In the silence, there's a rhythm, measuring love with each spoon. Culinary dreams awakened, dancing under the soft moon. whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these seeds, whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Quiet hums in the kitchen, fragrance rising in the air. Wooden spoons and gentle whispers, moments captured everywhere. Slicing veggies on the counter, softly humming to the beat. Pots and pans in perfect harmony, cooking love in every seed. Whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory. Boiling water, singing softly, stirring heartbeats blend with care. Recipes passed down through ages, love is hidden everywhere. Calm reflections in each bubble, memories in every bite. In this kitchen, peace is cooking, flavors blending in the night. In the silence, there's a rhythm, measuring love with each spoon. Culinary dreams awakened, dancing under the soft moon. Whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these seeds, whispering flames and tender smiles. Every spice tells a story. In the warmth of these simple moments, we find our hidden glory.